Where'd she take it?
I don't know. She took it right there.
Get it, Color.
Are you tired? She went for a rest.
She's toting that big thing.
She's toting it everywhere.
Color.
Cuddles. Cuddles. I'm gonna get you. Get that toy. Get the toy. Get the toy. Go get it.
Is that collar bothering her?
Go get that toy. Go get the toy. Look, go get the toy.
You want this roll in this thing?
Yes. Why? Do you want it for something?
No.
Oh, yes.
Cuddles. Bring it here. Right here. Good girl.
That came from Biba's, dude. Sue took me to lunch there today.